Welcome to SADX. Cambridge Lower Secondary Mathematics Stage 7. We are going to start fourth part of exercise 1.5, which is test for divisibility. Today we are starting number 9, where mentioned copy and complete this table. The first line has been done for you. Let's start. What does mean by this table? Look, here is 12, here is 123, and 1, 2, 3, 4, lots of things. Factors between 1 and 10. Look, these 12, it means we can make 1 times 12. It means we can divide these 12 by 1 and 12. Then 2 times 6 also. These 12 we can divide by 2 and 6. And finally 3 times 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 is a factor of what? Factor of 12. But we just take 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. But 12 we cannot take because here mentioned factors between 1 and 10. So here is 2, 3, 4, 6. 1 is a common thing. Now, what about 1, 2, 3? 1, 2, 3. Once we make a digit summation, 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equals to 6. 6 can be divided by 3. So 123 also divided by 3. But 4 is not possible. 2 is not possible. Why not 2? Because this is an odd number. 4 is not possible because last two digits should be divided by 4. So 23 is an odd number, so it's not possible. 5 not possible, 6 not possible, 7, 8, 9, 10 not possible. So here is only 3. So similar, 1, 2, 3, 4, it should divide by 2. Why? Because this is an even number. But look, 1, 2, 3, 4, it cannot be divided by 3 because 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Here is 4 plus 3 is a 7, 7 plus 2 is a 9, 9 plus 1 is a 10. 10 cannot divide by 3. A remainder will come, right? So this is only 2. So what about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Look, 3 is possible because once we make this digit, that number can be divided by 3. Let's check. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 3 is a 12. 12 plus 2 is a 14. 14 plus 1 is a 15. 15 can divide by 3. So whole number can be divided by 3. And last digit is 5. So this number can be divided by 5. And finally, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It can be divided by 2. Why 2? Because this is a even number. Why 3? Because once we make summation, the result, look, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. So 1 plus 2 is a 3, 3 plus 3 is a 6, 6 plus 4 is a 10, 10 plus 5 is a 15, 15 plus 6 is a 21, 21 can be divided by 3. And 56, 56 is a divided by 4. How? Because last two digits once divided by 4, whole number also can be divided by 4. Why 6? Because this number can be divided by 2 and 3. And what about 8? We know last 3 digits if divided by 8, so whole number also can be divided by 8. So we are checking that 456 can be divided by 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 can be divided by 8. I hope you cleared this one. It's a very important thing. Now, next one, number 10. Use the digit 4, 5, 6 and 7 to make a number that is multiple of 11. How many different ways can you find to do this? So this number, it's a 4, 5, 6, 7. It can be combination like 4, 5, 6, 7, or we can write 4, 5, 7, 6. So lots of things we can make this one. So the possible way to find out the result, you have to know the permutation combination. Like here is 4 digit 1 2 3 4. So 4 digit, it should be like factorial 4. It means 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. It means 4 times 3 is a 12, 12 times 2 is a 24. So possible thing is 24. So let's try to find out the. Now a number is divisible by 11 if the alternating sum of its digit is divisible by 11. In other words, for a 4-digit number ABCD, suppose 4, 5, 6, 7. Now check A minus B plus C minus D. It means 4 minus 5 plus 6 minus 7. Just alternating sum. First one positive, second one negative. Third one positive, fourth one negative. Positive, negative like this. So look, 4 plus 6 is a 10, minus 5 and 7 is a 12. The result is minus 2. So this number cannot divisible by 11. Okay, so ultimate result is equals should be 0 or plus minus 11, either plus 11 or minus 11. Then the number is divisible by 11. Now find out the combination. So possible combination is like this. Here is 24 numbers like 4 5 6 7, 4 5 7 6, 4 6 5 7, etc, etc, etc. So one by one we should check which number can be divisible by 11. So first look, first on 4 5 6 7, the result become minus 2, so the result is 0 because minus 2 we need either 0 or plus minus 11. So once we find out, look, here is 4 5 7 6, the result is 0, so 4 5 7 6 can be divided by 11. So you may write from here, we will go because lots of things cannot be read, right? Next one, we already mentioned 25 combination. So here is 25 combination, and from here we get 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 number. Okay, so we can say final answer, valid combinations, these 8 numbers are divisible by 11, which is 4 5 7 6, 4 6 7 5, 5 4 6 7, 5 7 6 4, etc, etc. So total 8 number. I hope you understand this one. It's an important question. Next, number 11. Number 11 has 1 2 3 4 5 6 question. So one by one we try to solve. First one, show that 2521 is not divisible by any integer between 1 and 12. Very interesting. Look, 2521 is an odd number, so divisible by 2 is not possible. Okay, rule what? Rule is it should be even, right? So is 2521 is divisible? No. Number divisible by 3, it's also cross. Why? Because once we make summation of digits, 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1, it becomes 10. 10 is not divisible by 3. 4, last 2 digit is 21, so it's not divisible by 4. Last digit need either 0 or 5 if you want to divisible by 5. So here last digit is 1, so it's not possible. 6 must be divisible by both 2 and 3. So 2521, it's not get the required performance. 7, what's the matter? Look, 2521, once you divide by 7, it's become fraction, so it's not possible. And also we already know the twice of summation. That way also if you check, the number is not divisible by 7. 8 is not possible because last 3 digit need to divisible by 8. 9, sum of digit is 10, therefore it's not divisible by 9 because we need sum of that digit which can be divisible by 9. Number divisible 10, its need should be 0, so not possible. Number 12, alternating sum like 2 minus 5 plus 2 minus 1 equals to minus 1, so it's not possible because we need 0 or plus minus 11. Okay, and must be divisible by both 3 and 4, then that number can be divisible by 12. So everything, this number become fail. Okay, so 2521 is not divisible by any integer from 2 to 12. Okay, interesting question. This is 11a. 11b, rearrange the digits of 2251 to make a number divisible by 5. Divisible by 5 rule is the number last digit should be 0 or 5. So let's try to make combination. Must be in 0 and 5, which already mentioned. So possible combination 2215, 2125 and 1225, where last digit is 5. Number C of 11. Rearrange the digit 2251 to make a number divisible by 4. So last two digit must be from number divisible by 4. So here last two digit, if we make combination, we should need, here is look 2251. So can we make 12 or 552? So 2512, 5212, 2152 and 21252, which is the combination of 2251. Okay, where last two digit can be divided by what? Can be divided by 4. Okay, number D is a very important and interesting question. Rearrange the digit of 2251 to make number divisible by 8. It's a similar of divisible by 4, but we should compare last three digit. So last three digit, it should be 152 or 512, which can be divided by 8. So now we try to make it 2512 and 2152, where last three digit can be divided by 8. Okay, number E, it's a little bit complex. Here mentioned, find the smallest integer larger than 2521 that is divisible by 6. So what does mean? So look, we need larger number than 2521. It means 2521. We can write 2522. So first we have to find out, is it that number which can be divisible by 6? Combination should be divided by 3 and 2. 2 is possible because this is an even number, but does possible by 3? 2 plus 2 is a 4, 4 plus 5 is a 9, 9 plus 2 is a 11. So summation digit 11, so this number cannot be divided by 6. So next one we need 2523. So by this way you have to find out that number which can be divisible by 6 but smallest one. So divisible by both 2 and 3, but the task is to find out the first smallest one after 2521. So which is 2526. It means 2521 is not, is from, we are starting from 2521. So 2522 not possible, 2523 not possible because it's a odd number, 2524 not possible because after summation the result is not divisible by 3, and 2525 it's not possible because it's an odd number, and finally we get this number can be divisible by 6. Find the smallest integer larger than 2521 which can be divisible by 11. It's a similar thing. We know use of alternating sum rule or just check that the result should be equals to 0 or plus minus 11. Then the number is divisible by 11. So look, 2522. Once we make alternating, The result is minus 3, so it's not divisible by 11. Let's check next one. 2 minus 5 plus 2 minus 3 equals to minus 4. It's also similar thing. It's not possible to divisible by 11. And finally, once you make, look, 2, 5, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 5, 2, 7, dot, 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 dot. Everything, once you check by alternating summation, that numbers cannot be divided by 11. But look, 2530, where 2 minus 5 plus 3 minus 0, the result is 0. So we know equals to 0, it's possible to divisible by 11. So number 25230 is our right answer. So no more today. We are trying to solve 9. We are trying to solve number 9, 10 and 11 has lots of question up to A to F. Please note that this video you can get from two way. First one is SadX is my FB page and also YouTube channel. So from anywhere you can get this one. You will get both link in the description box, and previous math, it means 1 to 8, you also get a playlist in the description box. Please subscribe my channel, which is SadX. I'm trying to solve one by one Cambridge Math 7. Now we are in exercise 1.5 tests for divisibility. Thank you very much for being with me. See you next